Blade Show 2026, Atlanta Highlands.
From the Racing Motor Center.
Thanks, guys. You're going to have M390 blade on this.
This will be going for $180 with $255.
Rich light.
So
what's up the names of those? This is Glock and Mike.
blacked out.
Okay.
Super light.
Beautiful.
So a little bit different.
This is the Delta, designed by Les Georges.
Dave the Sealer.
Yes, sir. Carbon fiber.